With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question is, considering a body of mass m, radius r, rotating with angular speed omega about center of mass with velocity v of center of mass, the most appropriate definition of rolling motion will be. Hence we can say here, for rolling motion we have, let's say this as, let's say ground. So we can say here, when let's say this here body, this is our, let's say spherical body if we consider here, whose center of mass velocity is given here as v, its mass is m, its radius here is given to be r, center of mass velocity is given to be v. Now for pure rolling motion, definition says here that this point of contact here with the surface must have relative velocity with respect to the surface as equal to 0. Hence we can say here, this point of contact will have velocity v, translational velocity v, in the, let's say here, positive x-axis, same as the direction of velocity of the center of mass. And for pure rolling, this point of contact must have, let's say, net velocity with respect to the surface as 0. For that we can say here that the rotational motion of the body must be in the clockwise sense here, such that we can say here the r omega here, due to rotational motion, r omega will be along minus x direction. Hence we can say here relative velocity of the point P with respect to the surface will be equal to 0. For that we have v equal to r omega. So just v equal to r omega does not imply that it is performing pure rolling motion, or the point of contact is stationary also does not imply that it is pure rolling motion, since it is not given stationary with respect to which surface. Whereas in the third point we can say the point of contact is stationary with respect to the surface. Hence from this condition we can say v comes equals to r omega. Hence we can say option number 3 is correct. Whereas option 4 says body purely rotates about point of contact. Hence in this case we can say here about this point P, body does not purely rotate, it is, let's say, stationary with respect to this point of contact. Hence option 4 is also incorrect. So the correct option is option number 3. Hence 3 is our answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.